driving a Seat Leon FR, and I've got to tell you, if you're more concerned about the car than you are the badge, this is definitely one you should be looking at instead of perhaps a Volkswagen or an Audi, because when you're driving it feels the same quality as a Volkswagen or Audi, and in some respects it's even nicer. The seats comfortable, good side supports, good spot for your resting left foot when you're not changing gear. This one is a manual gearbox, which is very smooth, very easy to use. The dashboard, the instrument panel, very clear. The central computer, very simple to use. Just scroll through whatever it is you need. The central display, built-in screen, doesn't look like it's been tacked on as an afterthought. Simple to use again. The performance, excellent performance. Accelerates well right through the whole range. The car handles well. Gets good fuel economy even when you're driving it pretty quickly. What am I getting right now? Getting 40 miles to the gallon, and I've been driving it for an hour. I've done 62 miles, so average 64 miles an hour, so I haven't been hanging around. That was pretty good fuel economy. Everything about the car, it just feels up there on the quality stakes. Nice trim, nice discreet accent lighting on the doors. Pretty much the only thing I can fault it for, the headrests are a little bit far back, and the mirrors are a real, quite an ugly shape. It's funny, from the outside they don't look bad, from the inside they look pretty ugly. And that's it. That's my quick review of a pretty quick car. Drive safe.